Morning traders, Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Friday, May 15th. It's 20 minutes to 5 a.m. in the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the upside with the exception of the Shanghai Exchange, which traded down somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing as Europe is open and trading, all of Europe is trading to the upside. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of US dollars trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. There is a correlation between the US dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading much higher, if you will, as opposed to where it closed yesterday. And the indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading much lower. There doesn't appear to be very much in the way of fear factor, if you will, in the precious metals markets. Now, in terms of economic news we have today for the U.S. markets, we go quite a bit. At 8:30 a.m., we have Empire State Manufacturing Index. This is a major. This is a proven market mover. At 9:15, we have capacity utilization and industrial production. These are not necessarily considered to be major. At 10 a.m., we also have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Given that these are preliminary numbers, they have far greater weight than revised. Hence, they are major and they are proven market movers. And at 4 p.m., although this will not affect the Friday session, we have long-term purchases. Again, it's out at 4 p.m. This will be right around the time the market closes, so we don't consider this to be much of a factor. All in all, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting this is currencies in terms of the US dollar is trading higher. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. And as such, as per our rules of market correlation, the indices themselves should be pointing to a lower open. That is not happening. Right now, the indices are all pointing to a higher open, which would suggest that there's a tug of war going on between the futures or the indices as well as the financials. And as such, given that fact, our bias is neutral. A neutral bias means the markets could go in any direction today. Best course of action would be to wait till all the economic news comes out, judge market direction accordingly, and then decide to trade if doing so today. Also, another factor that you should be aware of is today is options expiration, and there's always a layer of volatility or extra volatility involved in the markets in terms of direction as well. Kindly keep that in mind if trading today. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.